The e-commerce landscape has shifted completely. Parcel lockers and collection points are no longer just a trend, they are the standard. If you force your customers to wait at home for a package, you are actively losing sales. It's that simple. Want to fix this and reduce abandoned carts? In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up the Pickup Points Pro plugin for WooCommerce by Octolize to give your customers exactly what they expect. The game changer, no accounts needed. Before we jump into the settings, here's why this plugin is a total game changer. Normally, to offer DPD, UPS, DHL points and others you need signed contracts, approved accounts, and complex API integrations for each carrier. It takes weeks of paperwork. With Pickup Points Pro, you need none of that. No carrier accounts. No API keys. No contracts. You install it, and the points map is ready to use immediately. It simply connects you to the global network without the bureaucratic headache. Plugin configuration. This solution runs on Pickup Points Pro. You can grab it via the link below or by Googling Octolize Pickup Points Pro. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping and click the Pickup Points tab. We believe in simplicity and efficiency. We've kept the configuration options minimal so you can get up and running in minutes, not hours. No unnecessary bloat, just the settings you actually need to start shipping. However, if you need a deep dive into every single specific option, I've linked our detailed documentation in the description below. How to add pickup points to shipping method. Now, let's add these points to your store. The great thing about this plugin is its flexibility. You can add pickup points to standard WooCommerce shipping methods, flexible shipping, and even many other third-party methods. You don't need to delete your current setup. Simply open your existing shipping method configuration and scroll to the very bottom. You will see a section called Pickup Point Settings. Check Enable Pickup Points. Once enabled, you can configure exactly what your customer sees. Select the carriers you want to support, like DPD, UPS, or FedEx, and choose the types of points. Save your changes, and you are ready to sell. Customer perspective. Let's look at the final result in your store's checkout. When your customer selects the shipping method we just configured, a new button appears, Select Pickup Point. Clicking it opens a clean, interactive map modal right on the page. The plugin automatically geolocates the customer or lets them quickly search by city or postal code. It is a user-friendly solution that makes buying easy. Have a question about WooCommerce shipping? Drop it in the comments. And check out our other videos.